Now we are going to combine multiple Excel files into one file with PHP. All I have here is my index.php and a list of sample orders from different years. This is just only a few files, but what we are going to develop today is going to work on even 1,000 files. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to require PHP spreadsheet package, which is a powerful library for reading and writing spreadsheet files in PHP. Composer require PHP Office, PHP spreadsheet, and it's done. Now we need to require the autoload file at the beginning of our file. The very first thing is to specify where my files that I want to combine are located. In this case, they are in a directory called orders with a scandir function, which is a built-in PHP function. We can get the list of the names of all the files within a directory. Now that we have the list, let's loop through them. In this directory, there might be other files as well. So let's write a condition to make sure we would read only the xlsx files. Scandir gives us the list of the names. In order to get the full path of the file, we can append the name to the directory path. And now we can pass the path to the load method of the IOFactory class, which is one of the classes of the PHP spreadsheet package that we have required. This helps us read the content of our file. And in order to get all the data, we can get the active sheet and get all the rows as an array. You can specify the sheet you want to get, but in my case, because each file only has one sheet, I'm sure get active sheet is going to get the sheet that I need. Now let's create an array called all data and append all the data of the current file to it. Essentially, what we are doing is that we are reading all the files and adding them to an array. So with that said, let's start writing. First, let's check if there has been any data and our files were not just empty files. Now, in order to write data, we need to use the spreadsheet class. Let's add it up there with use to make our code look cleaner. That's good. Here, since we are creating a new spreadsheet, when we call getActiveSheet, it gets the first sheet automatically. Now let's loop through our data. Each data is an array, which is technically a row of our Excel file. And each value of that row is the actual value of each cell in that specific row. So let's loop through all the data to get the rows and loop through the rows to get the cell values. In Excel, the rows start from 1 and the columns start from A. So let's have that here, because when we want to write to this spreadsheet, we would need it. Here with set cell value, we need to specify which row and which cell and then pass the cell value. We are saying, for example, write a specific value to A3, which means column A in row 3. Don't forget to increment both column and row indexes at the end of their loop. Now the spreadsheet is ready, but one thing that we need to do is to save it as a file. We can do it by calling the create writer and passing the spreadsheet that we have created, and then run save and pass the name of the output file. And that's it. That's all we need to do. First, we scan the directory, get the list of each file, then we read the files and store them in an array, and then loop through the array to write to a file. Simple and powerful, isn't it? Now let's run our code to see if it works. php index.php. And perfect, it has created the combine.xlsx file. With less than 40 lines of code, it has read all those files and combined them into one file. Perfect. Enjoy coding.